This video will demonstrate how row function works in MS Excel. Row function is a function that return row number of the cell, like this. Dragging and dropping formula to other cells. As you see, row function returned row values to each cell. Now let's test this function with another function. I am selecting random values to get sorted out using if and row function. Now, creating a function to sort out 23 value and fill null string on the cell without it. Dragging and dropping formula to other cells. As you see, rows having value 23 are displayed, else returns null to the cell. So, this video demonstrated how row function works and how to utilize it. Thanks for watching.